Hey foodies! It's Mihaela from Blondelish.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make creamy garlic shrimp with Parmesan. This is a super easy keto recipe that boasts in flavor. I suggest to double it up because everyone will want an extra serving. Start by separating the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. We're going to use both of them. Chop the sun-dried tomatoes, the onion, and mince the garlic. Remove the shrimp from the fridge and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat a large non-stick pan over medium heat. Add the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes. Add in the shrimp in 2 batches to avoid overcrowding the pan. Cook for 1–2 minutes on each side until just pink and opaque. Remove from the pan and set aside. In the same preheated skillet, add onion, garlic, and sun-dried tomatoes. Sauté for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Add the stock and stir to remove all brown bits stuck on the bottom of the pan. Turn the heat to a low and simmer until the liquid is mostly reduced. Add cream, paprika, and crushed chili flakes to the skillet and stir until a creamy sauce forms. Add Parmesan and stir until it melts into the sauce. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. Add the shrimp back to the skillet and continue to simmer for a couple of minutes until hot and bubbly. Turn the heat off while you chop some fresh basil. Sprinkle with basil and serve. Yes, I ate straight from the pan, but I just couldn't help myself. I love the umami flavor of this dish. The sun-dried tomatoes plus Parmesan hit all the right spots. That was it for today, foodies. Thanks for watching. To get the full recipe plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on Blondelish.com. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you like this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!